yellow kayo ang light diri sa akong office. Mura kog sisiyo nga nasa incubator. But anyway, this is like the third day after my account was hacked. And sad pagidyapan ko, guys. Pero thank you kayo. Almost 100 kayo na akong followers. Ano na? Auto ko ulit fit check ha. So, di na kayo kabalo. But this was my outfit today. I just got home from court. Akala nyo hindi ako nagtatrabaho. Nagtatrabaho naman ako. I woke up 7 a.m. today to prepare myself to the courtroom. And this was my outfit. Actually, nani blazer, guys. But I'm not gonna show you. Fine, ipakita na nga ako. Muna siya. Nag-blazer ko sa gawas, but I'm not gonna wear that. And my dress, guys. This one's from Mango. My bag, it's from Chanel. And I'm also pairing it with my Chanel black... I'm also pairing it with my Chanel Block Tweed, diba, bongga. Lakas-lakas makasosyal ng damit ko, guys. Pero eto lang laman ng bag ko. Wala na po akong pera. Mura na akong muadtog mall today, but promise, muragit ko lawyer ko gayon na kaya nag-blazer ko. But I'm not gonna wear my blazer anymore. And muna dili ko ganahan og lawyer fashion, guys. Kay dili siya flattering sa akong body, diba? Dili ko sexy tanawan.